you are actually not going to find any problem in any mistake or any kind of stuff what you are doing unless you are following something which is best for you, and that best for you is a comfortable strategy that you have to decide for yourself. If you are good in price action patterns, although I am a very strict opposition person to price action. Whatever the price is doing on chart, if you are trying to make any strategy because of the engulfing candle or a morning star, evening star, or any price action candlestick pattern, I'm too many against to it, because those are not consistently working things. And suppose if you are having a bullish engulfing candle, do you think that it is going to tell you that this is a bullish trend starting? Just let's take an example. Okay. What I want to do is I will just get to the chart and I will see there will be 100% bullish engulfing candle anywhere. We will see it. No. Partial engulfing, we will be seeing that. Okay. Somebody actually told me. Now, you can see here, this is a red candle. This open and close is already inside this bullish candle. This bullish candle closing above its previous red candle's high. Does this mean that a bullish trend is going to start from here? No, it's not. Why this green candle formed here? You need to understand that, because there are too many selling things happening here. There is no particular high sweeping here. This is just a swing high, but it is formed by profit booking. There is nothing here for a bullish movement. There is all selling, 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 very high selling candle bodies. And even if it is an indecision candle, it is red. So it is actually telling us that there is a lot of selling happening here. And when those selling people are trying to sell from here, sell from here, sell from here, sell from here, they will book some profit at any point of time. Somebody maybe booked partials here, somebody booked partials here, and when it reached this far, they have actually started to book some more profit. Maybe suppose they are trading here 100 lots, 20 lots book here, 20 lots book here. They are trying to book 20, 30 lots here also. So what happens is, whenever somebody is already entered into a sell trade, then this means that to book the profit, they have to initiate a buy order. Your take profit, stop loss in a sell trade are actually buy orders. So what happens is, too many buy orders are accumulated in this area because of profit booking. So this green candle formed. And this green candle does not mean that now a fresh buying is starting. They are actually closing their previous selling trades. So you cannot even say that an engulfing pattern or any kind of pattern is working, because it is told to us that yeah, engulfing, bullish engulfing means a trend will start. See here, this is a bullish movement. This is a bullish move. How does it start? There is any pattern here. This is inside bar. It is not even a bullish pattern. It is a solely bearish pattern, because this candle is inside the selling candle. Only a pin bar kind of candle, you can say a hammer kind of candle, whatever you want to call it, a doji. There are these 100 times forming these kind of candles. They are not getting you. See, this is indecision. Okay. There is some doji or hammer anywhere, pin bar, but are these actually reversing the market? This is a good hammer. Are these profitable? No, it will hit you stop loss. So this is actually full of probabilities. Not every time this will work. Not every time, lose every time. You will be not seeing more than 75% time this works. This is actually working maybe 10% times. The winning probability is not even 50-50%. You have to understand that. That is why I am telling you that in order to be profitable, you need to get out of this mindset that those people who are actually trying to do some price action kind of stuff, they are actually not profitable. They are doing a lot of struggling going on in their trading, and then they are guiding you. Don't fall for it. You have to make yourself to get into this profit. How? You need to find your way. You need to find a comfortable trading strategy that suits your mind, so that if you follow that method, you will not get tired. Then only you will be able to maintain a consistency. You need to get yourself into the trading field very, very, very positive mindset, in a very positive mindset. And I will ask you to join the Telegram channel which I have, so that you will get good updates and announcements there. I am telling a lot of things there. Okay. So now I will tell you how to become profitable, even if you have some moving average kind of strategy. I am showing here. This is a moving average. This is another moving average. These two moving averages are crossing, and what we are showing here, if those moving averages get crossed, you get a signal. Very rare signal, I can understand that, but you still get a crossover, and that crossover can be treated to like a buy trade or sell trade. Potential buy, potential sell trades are forming in this particular indicator. Now, this crossover happened on this candle. I will just zoom it so that you will not get actual confusion. Many people actually show, but they don't show the reality. I will show you the reality. See, this is your crossover. When this red line was about to cross up, and then it has crossed down. So there are two crossovers here. This candle actually crossing up the moving averages, and this candle, you have a dot here, but it is behind the candle. You can see when I am moving on the dot. So this crossover happens on this red candle. So as soon as this candle closes, I have to make an entry here, sell trade entry. And what will be my stop loss and everything? My stop loss I am keeping on this swing high. How I have decided the swing high, I will make a live very shortly, and I will tell you that the swing highs and swing lows are having a strict common rule, and if you follow that rule, you will never get mistakes. So I have actually entry point here, and I am having a swing high here, and that swing high is my stop loss. So it makes 42 pips stop loss in gold, which is quite normal because gold is very volatile, and even one single candle can go for 70-80 candles. That some time ago that was happening in even 1 minute chart. So what happens is you have this particular entry. Now you are following a 1:8 risk to reward ratio. What happens? Market comes down. You hit your target. Then you will wait for another crossover. You don't need to trade daily. You just need to trade on your setup. I am just telling you, this is a very clear, very small, random indicator that I have picked up. Okay. Now what happens? We will go a little back. See, this is the place. Why I have not marked? Because I was trying to make some rules to enter a trade. Okay. Now what happens is, when this crossover happened, where was the market? This red candle, you can clearly see that this was the crossover. Validity of crossover is on this particular candle, and this is a red candle. See, so if that candle is closing, I have to make an entry into the trade. That will be my potential trade entry. What will be my stop loss? A swing high. This is a swing high. So I will hit my stop loss, right? That is why I have not marked this trade. If somebody is willing to have a good stop loss, then they can do. But I am not willing to, lose 116 pips as a stop loss. If suppose somebody is having capability to moving average, they can have 150 pips stop loss. That 150 pips stop loss is not even worth to trade. And what happens is you can have your risk to reward accordingly. I will mark here the risk to reward. You can see. That is how we have to take the strategy making part so seriously, that we have to actually mark on charts, and then we have to see that everything we are marking on chart is actually doing perfectly fine. That is how the thing is supposed to be done. So I will tell you about this indicator and its marking in my next stream, maybe today. But I am just telling you that you have to be a precision free trader. That is my goal, and I will make you this if you try to follow me. I will give you clear guidance and everything so that you can be on the profitable side and not end up in the losing side of this game. You have to become this precision free trader. That's what this means. This doesn't mean that you need 100% or 90% or 80% or 70% accuracy in trading. You don't need that. You only need maybe 10% accuracy, but your set of rules to enter into a trade, set of rules to exit from the trade must be consistently fixed and repeatable, so that if even it is getting you 10% accuracy, I will tell you how to be profitable. So I will end the stream right now. You can understand the things, you can watch it once again, and then we will be deciding when to get live, and then we can talk about it also. Okay, so this is how I will end this live. You can tell me how it was, and we will be doing a daily live, and I will show you a good strategy and a profitable method how to do it. I'm not selling this strategy. I'm just making a team. If you want to get into a team, you can message me in Instagram. You will find my details in the description. Mind Body Markets, simple name. Mind Body Markets with S in the end. That Mind Body Markets, you can search as a channel in Telegram also. In YouTube also it is there. In Instagram also it is my username, so that you can contact me. If you want to get into a personal team, I will make you enter into a personal team where we will make a strategy, profitable, long-term, sustainable strategy. We will make it. Get into a team, and then lower your burden. Because if you walk alone, you will be feeling a lot of pressure and everything. But if you walk with a team, then the same pressure is divided into the team, and you will not feel that much of problems. You will see some problems, but everybody is comfortable with that, and everybody will be taking the load. So division of load will be there. I will end this live now. This was my first stream for the channel, and you can join, subscribe, and if you want some good signals, I can provide good signals, but that was not my goal. I have to grow my YouTube community also, and that if somebody is getting good signals on YouTube, then they are actually joining that group, because of the signals they get daily. If you want something, I will try to do that, but I am here to guide a lot of things about you, about trading. So let's get to it, guys. Take care. Thanks a lot. Join and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram.